I'm on the road to the money. On the road to the money. On the road to get some money. I'm on the road to the money. To the money. To the money. On the road to the money. Why y'all niggas on the road to the money? To the money. To the money. On the road to the money. Why y'all?
What's up, y'all? It's Nautiii and I'm back with another banger video today. So today ain't gonna be no makeup video or nothing. I'm gonna do another cooking video. So this right here is going to be the Ruths stuffed chicken breast. It ain't like no regular stuffed chicken breast. So baby, I ain't gonna even do too much talking. We gonna get straight into this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Period. What I said. I got this because I don't feel like washing out no pans once I'm done. So I'm gonna be using this. You need your chicken breast. I had this marinating for a couple hours, I'd say, since like 2, and it's 6 right now. So they've been marinating in some seasonings. You're gonna need some cream cheese, some butter or some olive oil, and then any type of cheese that you want. I chose cheddar pepper jack cheese, but also, you know what, because my boyfriend like real cheesy stuff, I'm gonna add this Kobe jack cheese as well. Get you a bowl. It's right here.
I don't.
Nah, you're no longer allowed to be in my videos.
Yeah, I do.
Period. Cause when I start getting paid for these boys, you heard me? You heard me? Anywho, now y'all, whole thing of cream cheese, leave it sitting out before you start to use it so it could be, you know, easy to move and mush up. Like y'all see that, real easy. Now you know when you first take cream cheese out the refrigerator, it'll be real hard. So you want to have it like room temp basically. So yeah, we got that in the bowl. Next, just add your cheese however much you want. I don't measure my stuff. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't give you no measurements because I literally just don't measure. I measure with my eyes. Like I have a whole measuring cup and all this stuff, but I just prefer not to use it. Got that. I'm gonna add some garlic and pepper seasoning to it, just a little bit. Like that. Focus, honey. You don't want to focus. Like, how do you make it focus on here? I just literally don't know what to do, y'all. It don't want to focus. And like I said, we gonna get us a mix. Like, it just tastes so good. So it's all mixed in. I don't know if y'all can see it because this camera keep acting crazy. But yeah, y'all, that's that. So now I'm gonna set this aside. And I'm gonna bring the chicken breast over here. I'm gonna season it some more before I put it in the oven though, because I just like my stuff super seasoned. So the way you cut this, you don't want to go too deep. Or make no holes. So take your time when you cutting this, please. So I'm just gonna move this one out the way actually. And I'm gonna start cutting from right here. I'm gonna actually move this camera down some. I'm gonna start cutting from right here. Like I said, don't go too far back. Yet. You're gonna take your finger and feel around to see if you have more room to cut, then you cut some more. So y'all can see this is a good little pocket. I'm gonna cut a little bit right here in the middle. Nice pocket. So now I'm gonna do the next one. And this one is bigger. And it already has like this piece like hanging, so I'm gonna start from this side. And I'm just gonna start like in the middle on this one because it's a little kind of flatter a little bit. And then cut. Then go back the other way. The oven's ready too now, just in time. So this is this one. Okay, so now that that's ready, y'all, I'm about to wash my hands. Put this one back on here. Hold on, y'all. And then I'm actually going to season it some more before I put the filling in. So y'all, work with me. I'm going to use this just because I like the flavor of it. It's actually for ribs, but I use it on whatever. I literally just don't care. And this gonna give it like a little browner color, I feel. And like I said, I already had it kind of marinating, so I'm not gonna add too much. Just like a little something, something. I literally don't know how to set this camera up right now so y'all can see me stuffing. Cause my camera is still broke, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. I guess y'all can see this one, so I'm gonna do this one first. And I'm gonna use the fork and just stuff this stuff on in there. Like so. And then right now I'm just smushing it down, making sure that it's all the way in there, y'all. This shit. Ooh, baby, this stuff about to be so good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm already knowing it's about to be so good. Like, I really can't wait. Now we got the next one. And I'm gonna dig this stuff out with my hands. Because that fork wasn't doing no justice. Literally. Gonna be so good. Make sure it's all the way back. Spread it out from end to end. I'm gonna put a little bit more on this other one. Just cause I still have like a little bit left. And I'm only making 2, so. Just gonna stuff them. I kind of want to add some more cheese, yeah. Wash my hands. I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese, or attempt to. This is gonna be hard to see. I got this boy stuffed. And then now you're just gonna take Q-tips and seal them shut and pop them in the oven for like 20 minutes. I'll be back once they're done. Show you all this right quick though. Now that's the stuffed chicken breast.